Electricity and Circuit, Class 7 Science Chapter. Welcome. Let's explore the exciting world of electricity and understand how circuits work. What is electricity? It is a form of energy. There are two types, static and current. Electron flow powers devices. Static electricity feels like the spark you get after walking on a carpet. Current electricity flows through wires to light bulbs and run motors. Key components of an electric circuit. First, the battery or power source. Second, wires or conductors. Third, the switch. Fourth, the load like a bulb or a motor. Watch electrons flow from the battery's negative terminal through wires to the load and back to the positive terminal. Open versus closed circuits. Open circuits do not allow current flow, interrupting devices. Switch off opens the circuit, stopping the flow. Closed circuits allow current flow in a complete loop. Switch on closes the circuit, powering devices. Conductors and insulators. Conductors let electricity flow, like copper wires. Insulators block electricity, like rubber. They keep us safe and guide current safely. Series circuits. Components connected in a single line. Adding or removing bulbs affects the whole circuit. Parallel circuits. Components connected in branches. Bulbs work independently of others. Electrical symbols include battery, switch, bulb, and wire. Simple circuit diagrams